Welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix computer sound volume is too low on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your sound volume is too low on your Windows 11 PC or laptop, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to click on Start menu. Then type here Settings. Type here Settings. Click on the Settings. In this, you need to scroll down a little bit. You can see here Troubleshoot. Click on the Troubleshoot. You can see here Other Troubleshooters. Just click on the Other Troubleshooters. In this, you can see second option, Playing Audio. You need to click on the Run. Guys, it will take some time to complete its process. After completion of this process, just close this window and close this window. After that, you need to open your control panel. Just click on the Start menu, then type here Control Panel. Click on Control Panel. In this, if it is selected as category, you need to click on the category and select as small icon. After that, in this you can see sound option. Just click on the sound. Here you need to select your output device. If you are connected the headphone or you are using the speaker. I am using the speaker. Just select the speaker, set as default, and click on properties. In this you can see, click on the levels. You need to select the maximum volume level. After that, click on the enhancement. You can see here you have to check mark this option, loudness equalization. Click on apply. Come to the advanced. Here you need to select and test one by one. Just select any one and test. If it is high, just select and apply. After that, come to the spatial sound. Click and select off. Click on OK. Click on the communication. Here you need to select do nothing. Click apply, then click OK and close this window. And once you have to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix computer sound volume too low on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.